How fast a Linux boots up?
Is it slow or is it fast?
"26 seconds on my machine." So let's log in and count that too. I'm using USB wireless keyboard here. So okay, 29 seconds in total. How fast a Linux shuts down? Let's reset the counter. All right, and let's shut down this machine. Actually, let's use the keyboard. All right, shut down. We will press yes and start the counter. How fast a Linux shuts down? Bam. That's it. Less than 6 seconds. I think it was like 5 seconds. All right.
Ha! It's faster than our Windows.
Thank you very much for watching. In case you wonder, we are on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version with an Intel platform, Core i7 to be precise. This is actually a Del Vostro. Hope your curiosity is satisfied, and yeah, I'm using my phone to shoot this. I didn't want to use something else because I wanted to show you absolutely from the start to the finish how fast it looks like. So please like this video and subscribe. I will make more videos for Linux, Python, programming and other topics of interest. Bye.